In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic response in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're going on vacation or simply need to step away from your inbox, setting up an automatic response will ensure that anyone who tries to reach you will be promptly informed of your absence and any pertinent details they might need. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, making sure every step is clear and easy to follow. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to log in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one linked to the Gmail where you'd like to set up the automatic response. After entering your login credentials and securely signing in, you'll find yourself back on the Google homepage. But now your profile picture should be visible in the top corner, signifying you are logged in. Next, click on the Gmail link, which is also found in the top right hand corner. This will redirect you to your Gmail inbox. Familiarize yourself with this dashboard if you haven't already, as this is where all your email interactions take place. Now let's navigate to the settings. Look for the gear icon again in the top right hand area. Clicking this will reveal a drop down menu. Within this menu, select See All Settings to open the comprehensive settings page for Gmail. You'll notice several tabs at the top of this settings page. Click on the General tab, which is typically the default tab, but it's always good to ensure you're in the right place. As you scroll down this page, keep an eye out for the Vacation Responder section. Here we'll set up our automatic response to handle emails in your absence. Once you've located the Vacation Responder section, you'll see options to turn it on or off. Toggle it on to begin setting up your message. You'll then need to enter the first day of your vacation responder, essentially the day you want this automatic reply to start going out. There's also an option to specify the last day if you already know when you'll resume email communication. If not, feel free to leave this unchecked. Now, it's time to compose your message. In the subject line, consider something straightforward like out of office or thank you for your email. For the message body, clearly state that you're currently away and mention when the email sender can expect to hear back from you. If necessary, provide alternative contact information for urgent matters. Finally, review your response to ensure there are no mistakes or unclear points. Once you are satisfied, simply save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it, your Gmail is now equipped with an automatic response, ensuring everyone who contacts you will receive a prompt notification. Enjoy your time away, knowing your communication is well handled, and you can focus on what matters most.